Hello students, this is part 2 having MCQs from chapter 6 Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Here we will discuss 30 MCQs from previous years PMT based on NCERT core content. Question number 1. During DNA replication, Okazaki fragments are used to elongate. See the diagram. DNA के replication में 2 new strands बन रहे हैं. One is leading strand जिसका formation continuous है and second is lagging strand जिसमें DNA is formed in small fragments called Okazaki fragments and formation of DNA is discontinuous type in lagging strand. Now see the direction of formation of Okazaki fragments. It is away from replication fork. So, correct answer is option C. During DNA replication, Okazaki fragments are used to elongate the lagging strand away from the replication fork. So, mark C as a correct answer. Question number 2. During replication of a bacterial chromosome, DNA synthesis starts from a replication origin site and bacterial chromosomes contain circular DNA and replication process starts at a site called the origin. But this replication is in 2 directions called bidirectional replication as 2 replication forks move in opposite directions away from the origin. So, correct option is D. DNA synthesis starts from a replication origin site and moves in bidirectional way. So, mark D as a correct answer. Question number 3. Method of replication in which 2 strands of DNA separate and synthesize new strands. The method of replication of DNA is semi-conservative. This model was proposed by Watson and Crick जिसमें 2 डबल हेलिकल DNA जो बने उन दोनों में एक एक स्ट्रैंड पेरेंटल होगा और एक एक स्ट्रैंड न्यूली फॉर्म्ड होगा. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. मेथड ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन ऑफ DNA इज सेमी कंजर्वेटिव. सो मार्क सी एज अ करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 4. There are special proteins that help in open up DNA double helix in front of DNA replication fork. These proteins are DNA double helical structure है and it opens to form a replication fork for its replication. इसके लिए topoisomerase specialized होते हैं to cause nicks or breaks in double helix and help to separate DNA strand. So, correct option is B. DNA topoisomerase 1 special protein है जो DNA को ओपन करने में हेल्प करता है. सो मार्क बी एज अ करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 5. Match the following RNA polymerase with their transcribed product. Correct option is C. 1. RNA polymerase 1 transcribes ribosomal RNA or rRNA. 2. RNA polymerase 2 transcribes heterogeneous RNA or hnRNA. And 3. Polymerase 3 transcribes transfer RNA or tRNA. So, mark C as a correct answer. 1 is matching with 2, 2 is matching with 3 and 3 is matching with 1. Question number 6. Note the sequence of bases given. This is a sequence from coding strand of a gene. What will be the corresponding sequence of the transcribed messenger RNA? कोडिंग स्ट्रैंड ऑफ DNA एंड मैसेंजर RNA के न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स का सीक्वेंस सेम होता है एक्सेप्ट T दैट इज थायमीन. मैसेंजर RNA में यूरेसिल थायमीन को रिप्लेस कर देता है. सी इन द लोअर डायग्राम. सीक्वेंस ऑफ बेसिस सेम है कोडिंग स्ट्रैंड ऑफ DNA एंड मैसेंजर RNA में एक्सेप्ट T. मैसेंजर RNA में T की जगह U होगा. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज A. द सीक्वेंस ऑफ transcribed messenger RNA from given base sequence is AGG, UAU, CGC, AU. ये सीक्वेंस बिल्कुल कोडिंग स्ट्रैंड जैसा है बट यहाँ यू ने टी को रिप्लेस कर दिया है. सो मार्क ए एज अ करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 7. Which of the following RNAs should be most abundant in animal cell? Ribosomal RNA or rRNA is the most abundant of all types of RNA. It is 70 to 88%, while percentage of transfer RNA is 15% and messenger RNA is 2 to 5%. And miRNA or microRNA are 21 to 22 base pair long RNA that bring degeneration of messenger RNA. So mark D as a correct answer. Ribosomal RNA is most abundant in animal cell. Question number 8. Spliceosomes are not found in cells of. Spliceosomes help in removal of introns. They are not present in prokaryotes because prokaryotes do not have introns. Thus, processing does not require splicing of messenger RNA. So, mark C, bacteria as a correct answer. Question number 9. The equivalent of structural gene is, correct option is B, cistron is equivalent to structural gene that contains information for coding a specific polypeptide chain. So, mark B as a correct answer. Question number 10. Which of the following ribosomal RNA act as structural RNA as well as ribozyme in bacteria? It is 23S ribosomal RNA which shows peptidyl transferase activity and catalyzes peptide bond formation in proteins. So, it acts as structural RNA as well as ribozyme or enzyme in bacteria. So, mark C as a correct answer. Question number 11. DNA dependent RNA polymerase catalyzed transcription on one strand of the DNA which is called the DNA के two strands हैं. One is template and other is coding strand, and it is the template strand on which RNA polymerase enzyme binds to catalyze transcription, and polarity of template strand is 3' to 5'. So, correct answer is A, mark A. Question 12. Select the correct option. In the given 4 options, option A is correct. The direction of RNA synthesis is 5' to 3' and direction of reading of the template DNA strand is 3' to 5' end. So, mark A as a correct answer. Question 13. Removal of introns and joining of exons in a defined order during transcription is called. See the diagram below. DNA से pre messenger RNA बनता है which has got both exons and introns. ये RNA non-functional है. After this, introns are removed by the process called splicing and exons join together, and this RNA becomes functional messenger RNA. So, answer is option D, splicing. Mark D as a correct answer. Question number 14. Ribosomal RNA is actively synthesized in option B, nucleolus. It is the center for synthesis of ribosomal RNA. So, mark B as a correct answer. Question 15. Which one of the following is not a part of a transcription unit in DNA? See the diagram of transcription unit. It has terminator, promoter and structural gene, but inducer is not its part. So, correct option is A, inducer. Mark A as a correct answer. Question 16. Removal of RNA polymerase 3 from nucleoplasm will affect the synthesis of. RNA polymerase 3 is responsible for formation of transfer RNA. So, if we remove it from nucleoplasm, it will affect the synthesis of transfer RNA. So, mark A as a correct answer. Question 17. In eukaryotic cell transcription, RNA splicing and capping take place. RNA splicing and capping take place in nucleus in eukaryotic cell. These two processes convert primary transcript into functional messenger RNA. So, correct answer is B, nucleus. Mark B as a correct answer. Question 18. One gene, one enzyme hypothesis was postulated by. In 1948, Beadle and Totem proposed one gene, one enzyme hypothesis, which states that a gene controls metabolic machinery of the organism through synthesis of an enzyme. Means one gene is responsible for synthesis of one enzyme. So, mark A, Beadle and Totem as correct answer. Question number 19. Which form of RNA has a structure resembling clover leaf? It is transfer RNA, which has structure resembling clover leaf. Mark D as a correct answer. Question 20. During transcription, DNA site at which RNA polymerase binds is called. DNA की promoter site पर RNA polymerase bind करता है. So, correct answer is A. It is promoter at which RNA polymerase binds. So, mark A as a correct answer. Question 21. Which one of the following reunites the exon segments after RNA splicing? RNA splicing के बाद exons को RNA ligase enzyme reunite करने में help करता है. So, correct answer is C. Mark C. RNA ligase reunites exon segments after RNA splicing. Come to question number 22. Exon part of messenger RNA have code for. Option A, protein. Exon part of messenger RNA have code for protein synthesis. So, mark A as a correct answer. Question 23. Gene and cistron words are sometimes used synonymously because. Option C, one gene contains one cistron. That is why genes and cistron words are sometimes used synonymously. So, mark C as a correct answer. Question 24. Types of polymerase required in nucleus of eukaryotes for RNA synthesis. Option C, 3 types of polymerase are required for RNA synthesis in eukaryotes, and these are RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2 and RNA polymerase 3. So, mark C as a correct answer. Question 25. Anticodon occurs in. Anticodons present होते हैं on transfer RNA और tRNA जो particular amino acid को messenger RNA तक पहुंचाने का एंड एमिनो एसिड के पर्टिकुलर कोडॉन को आइडेंटिफाई करने में हेल्प करता है जो मैसेंजर आरएनए पर लोकेटेड होता है. सो मार्क ए ट्रांसफर आरएनए और टीआरएनए एज अ करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन 26. इन 3 डायमेंशनल व्यू द मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ट्रांसफर आरएनए इज. ऑप्शन ए ट्रांसफर आरएनए इज L shaped in 3 dimensional view. So mark A as a correct answer. Question 27. Genes that are involved in turning on or off the transcription of a set of structural genes are called. See the diagram. Promoter and structural genes के बीच में operator gene present है which is responsible in turning on और ऑफ द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन प्रोसेस. अगर ऑपरेटर जीन ऑन है तो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होगा एंड इफ इट इज ऑफ देन ट्रांसक्रिप्शन स्टॉप हो जाएगा. सो मार्क डी एज अ करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन 28. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग आरएनए प्रोसेसिंग. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ आरएनए, दैट इज in tailing adenylate residues are added at 3' end of heterogeneous RNA. You can see it in the diagram. There is an addition of poly A tail towards 3' end of heterogeneous RNA, while at 5' end methyl guanosine triphosphate is added. So, mark C as a correct answer. Question 29. During DNA replication, the strands separate by option C. DNA strands separate by enzyme helicase during replication. Mark C as a correct answer. Note one important point. Topoisomerase causes nicks or breaks and helicase unwinds the DNA helix from that nick or break which is caused by topoisomerase. Come to next question, question number 30. In split genes, the coding sequences are called option A. Exons are the coding sequences in split genes. So, mark A as a correct answer. So, that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.